Junction is one of the major railway junctions in Southern Railways and is located 3 kilometers away from Erode Central Bus Terminus. Nissan, under their CSR initiative Nissan Cares, supported by Anuprayaas, makes the railway station accessible for people with disabilities. To facilitate independent travel of visually impaired persons, Braille maps have been installed at the main entrance for complete guidance about the railway station. Nissan, in collaboration with Anuprayaas, installed Braille platform indicators which guides and empowers the people with visual impairment to reach the ticket counters from the entrance gates. Now, people with disabilities can also identify different facilities like lift for easy movement. Generic Braille signages are available at all the major locations. Platform indicators to identify the platform numbers. This helps people with disabilities to reach the right platform at the right time. This reduces their dependency to ask others for directions. A scannable QR code is provided at significant locations in the railway station to assist people with hearing and speech impairment. Braille booklets have been made available for complete guidance of the railway station premises to the visually impaired persons. Divyang toilets, which are provided for persons with disabilities, have been made more accessible for easy and more access. Portable ramps and wheelchairs have also been provided for the wheelchair users to board the train. Under this CSR initiative, Nissan Motors aims to provide these facilities at 45 stations pan-India, especially in Tamil Nadu. In the first phase of this project, these facilities were provided at 15 stations.